Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful stitch pattern which is named as Malawi and it is worked with two colors, and you can work with multiple colors too, and it will give a beautiful finish to a project that you take up. And it's a very easy, though it looks complicated, it's very easy to work with. So it is worked with single crochets, double crochets and treble crochets. To make this pattern we require multiples of 4 stitches. I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. For this particular swatch I use two colors. One is dried rose, hobby store 100% premium acrylic anti-pillion, medium weight 4 with color code 2038, and the other is orange peel, again iron premium acrylic anti-pillion with color code 2026. I have made 5 repeats of 4 chains, 4 stitches. To begin with, make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, single crochet in next 2 chains, 1 in each. Now the stitch repeat begins here. Chain 1, skip 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 chains. Chain 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 chains. So repeat all across. I shall also complete placing the stitches and get back to you. This chain 1, skip 1 SC in each of the next 3, chain 1, skip 1 SC in each of the next 3. For row 2, either chain 3 and turn, or turn and make a double crochet, standing twisted double crochet in the very first single crochet, and place 1 double crochet each in each stitch across, even under the chain 1 space. So continue placing your DCs till the end. I shall also complete and get back to you. Now join the new color before completing the last stitch here, and let us secure it with a loop. Put it over it. Chain 1, single crochet in the very first DC, and now double treble in the stitch below the chain 1 space. So I just marked it with a stitch marker. So now you will not be working in the second DC here, but you will work 1 single crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1 single crochet in the next. Now double treble 2 together in the previous stitch and the previous chain 1 space and the next chain 1 space. So 1 incomplete double treble, yarn over thrice, and go over to the next chain 1 space. Remove the stitch marker. The stitch markers are required only for the first row. So complete. Now you will not be working in this DC here, but you will place a single crochet in the next DC, chain 1, skip 1 single crochet in the next. Now again we will be working 2 double trebles together in the previously worked stitch and the next stitch under the chain 1 space. So you can take it up like this also, it is easier. it won't make any difference. Yarn over thrice again, remove the stitch marker. So we have the stitch here. You'll not work under this, you will make a single crochet in the next DC. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next. Again 2 double trebles together in the last worked double treble stitch and the stitch under the next chain 1 space. Yarn over thrice. Let me pick up under both the loops. So single crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next. Now you're going to work a double treble in the stitch last worked. Now single crochet in the last stitch. So this completes our row 3. Now either chain 3 and turn or make a standing double crochet and 1 double crochet in each of the stitches, even in the chain spaces. So complete the DCs. I shall also complete and get back to you. So before completing the last stitch here, change over the color to the previous color. Chain 1, turn, single crochet in the next. Now you're going to work double treble under the stitch below the chain 1 space. So yarn over thrice. Now DC single crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next. Now you're going to work 2 double treble together in the previously worked stitch and the stitch just below the next chain 1 space. The stitch under the next chain 1 space. Now single crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next. Again 2 double treble together in the previously worked stitch, and the stitch under the next chain 1 space. Now single crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1 single crochet in the next. So place another two double trebles together. I have placed 2 double trebles together again. So single crochet in the next DC, chain 1, skip 1 single crochet in the next, and 1 double treble in the last worked stitch. Since this double treble is worked over this particular stitch, we are not working any stitch in this particular DC. So directly place a single crochet in the very last DC. Now chain 3 and turn, or turn, make a double crochet. See, we started with multiples of 4, that was 20 stitches I had taken, and I worked the stitches and it came up to 19 stitches at the end. So 1 DC each, it should count to 19, each of the stitches and the chain 1 spaces too. So complete the DC row. I shall also complete and get back to you. Before completing the last DC, change over to the new color. Chain 1, turn, single crochet in the very first, and it is worked as the previous double treble crochet line. Make a double treble in the stitch that is just below the chain 1 space. Sorry, 3 times I had to do. So we'll not be working the immediate next DC, but we'll place a single crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip 1 single crochet in the next. Again 2 double trebles together, then SC in the next, chain 1, skip 1, SC in the next, similar to this particular row here. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. So repeat rows 2 and 3 for the pattern to the desired length of your project. Thank you friends for watching this video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the new videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.